Hello guys, this is Rahul, and today we'll be talking about like how to write your first Selenium script in Python. Okay, so I made a HTML CSS login template in my free time, and I'll be using for automating the email and password entries in the input fields. I'll be automating that with Selenium and also clicking the login button. I'll be doing that, and let's see how I'll do that. I'll just first clone it, my document root folder, like the root folder of my Apache web server. First you need to install Apache, it's very easy. I'll put a link in the description. Alright, so git clone. Alright, this is there. Let me show you what I have done. So this is the login form. This is the create account. We'll be doing with with entering the email ID and password with our Selenium script. So let's start. So I'll just first you need to install Selenium. I used pip, which I installed. I put the installation command in the description. So to install Selenium. Okay, it's done. And then I downloaded this is the Firefox browser. Then I downloaded Gecko driver, which is Gecko driver. You can download it from here. Download according to our OS architecture. Alright, and then I put it there. Yeah, so I just downloaded in here somewhere. Go, yeah, I'll copy this, then go where it is, where the file or template file is. Okay, let's create a new folder here, tests. Alright, paste it here. Yeah, done. And create and this folder. Wait a second. I use Sublime Editor for coding purposes. Yeah. So we are here. Alright. So yeah. So I just put here in the tests folder, we made a tests. Let's create a new file, and tests is let's call it test login. Alright, so starting with it, let's start with the first line of code, which will be import Selenium from Selenium, import WebDriver. The next line of code is from Selenium, import from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot keys, import keys. So the next line is driver dot is equal to WebDriver dot Firefox, which creates an instance of Firefox. In that instance, then this next line enters the URL, which will be http 127.0.1.01/html/html css login template / login.php. That done. Then we find the element, the input element which is in the login.php. I'm talking about this. Alright, this. So we find the element by using this function, by using the ID of the component. And what is this ID? Email. Alright, we'll just enter email here and lm. The next thing we'll do is lm dot send keys. This is like entering this function will do the same thing as entering to the keyboard. Alright, so I'll just add something, my email ID. Alright, next thing we do is find the password input. So the ID for password, like the input is pass. Okay, then we send the keys. So you can type anything for now. Alright. Then find the login button. Dot driver dot find element by ID. What is the ID for that? It is login button itself. Yeah, it's the login button. Then we click the login button using the click function, click method. Okay, sorry. That's it, I think. So the next thing is we need to go actually in the folder. The script is in the test folder. So we need to actually export the path variable for the Gecko driver. And this one, yeah, it's here. And then we run the script. Okay. I think it's key. Cannot import name keys. That's capital K. Okay, I think it's okay. See the automation works. Alright, so the button, click the login button, and it redirected to a user dashboard PHP, which I have not included at I've not created the file yet, but actually the button clicked, the login button was clicked, and this redirected to a file name called user dashboard.php, which I have actually entered. You see, on click location. Yeah. So this proves the browser, like the Selenium script, automated the whole task. And so this script did not close the browser. So for closing the browser, we have this function driver.close, which closes the browser afterwards. Yeah, see, so how fast was that? Like, it's in split of a second, it just conducted the whole process and actually ended too. So this is the way this, like, so thanks, like, so this was the first Selenium script. This was the first Selenium script using Python. I guess you use Selenium for automating tasks or browser automation testing in web development. Yeah. That would be great actually, because manual testing was is very hectic and takes the juice out of developing application. Thanks. Thanks.